In today's lecture, our tongue twister topic is B. First of all, we will try to produce the sound of B. The sound of B is B. B, B. Betty butter bought a bit of butter. Betty butter bought a bit of butter, but she said the butter's bitter. But she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of butter will make my batter better. So she bought a bit of butter, better than her bitter butter. So she bought a bit of butter, better than her bitter butter. This was the letter B, and in the next video we will learn how we can make the sound of the letter C.